obnoxious this is.
Okay, I'm going to call the Robert Tellis case. Robert Tellis, today the Clark County District Attorney, on behalf of the state of Nevada, has officially filed a criminal complaint charging you with the crime of murder. To wit, the unlawful, heinous, and senseless murder of RJ reporter Jeff Garner. Did you get a copy of that?
Yes, sir.
Do you understand the charge?
Yes, sir.
Now, I have in front of me that it looks like that the Public Defender's Office is going to be representing you.
Assuming a finding of indigency by the court, yes, Your Honor.
Well, you're right, I'm going to appoint you. And then we'll see if you have any conflicts or whatever, you can address that later with the court.
We've run a preliminary check and we don't see any conflict.
Okay.
And none exists.
Okay. So, you are now being officially being represented by the Public Defender's Office. Now, the issue as to bail, is there going to be any argument in that today?
Your Honor, we're not going to argue that today. I've discussed this with both my client and the district attorney. We're asking for a preliminary hearing in about 30 days, which would be the week of October 24th, any day that week that works for the court.
That's
Okay.
fine, Your Honor.
What I was going to do, we'll put it at 1 o'clock in the afternoon, if that's all right with you, so we'll have plenty of time.
That's fine, Your Honor.
Because I hate to do it in the morning with other prelims going, and then, you know, it clogs up the calendar. So in all probability, I will be hearing the case. So we'll go ahead and set it at 1 o'clock. What day is it, 24th on?
That's a Monday.
That's a Monday? Well, that'd be, it's all right with me. Monday's fine.
Yeah, whatever works best for the court's calendar.
How about, you know, Monday's sometimes a heavier date, you know, after the weekend. That's what all I'm about to say.
I would suggest Wednesday.
Huh?
I would suggest Wednesday.
The clerk said Wednesday would be a better day.
That's 26th.
The 26th, right.
Yes, Your Honor.
Now, is your client waiving his right to have a preliminary hearing in 15 days?
He is, Your Honor. We've discussed with him the time needed to prepare, and he's amenable to this same.
Okay. Well, right, then you're going to be continue being held on no bail until later on that issue is again addressed either at the prelim or in a separate hearing. But right now, we'll go ahead and set the hearing, and hearing will be set, as I said, the 26th, which is a Wednesday, on 1 p.m.
Your Honor, so we have a clear record, Mr. Travis Shetler, who I think is present on Blue Jeans, did confirm as counsel when we were last in court, and I think he should be formally excused.
Okay. All right, Mr. Shetler, you, based on the fact that the public defender has taken over the case, you are permanently excused from this case.
And finally, for the record, Edward Kane and David Lopez Negrete for the Public Defender's Office, we will be the attorneys assigned to this case.
Okay, I understand that. So anyway, we're all set. We have it prelim set at the 26th at 1 o'clock, and you're continue being held in no bail.